Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Tech Studios. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to enable direct messages on TikTok. To get started, let's open the TikTok application on the device. So once you appear on the home page of TikTok, you need to tap on profile, which is at the bottom right corner. When you reach on the profile page, tap on three line icon on upper right corner. Tap on settings and privacy, which is at the bottom of the screen. Now when you reach on settings and privacy, simply tap on privacy option under account. Scroll down all the way down and tap on direct messages under the interactions. Tap on direct messages. So since you can see that the direct messages has been set on no one, this don't allow anyone to send you direct message even if you are not friends with them. So to enable the direct message, tap on everyone. Now everyone can send you direct messages on the TikTok. So here you can see that the direct messages have been sent to everyone. Hope so you find this video useful. Thank you for watching.